For making tastier and healthier ghee from butter, here I have taken Amul butter. You can take both salted or unsalted. Here you require betel leaves. These are cloves, 5 to 6 cloves, and 1 spoon of peppercorns, and these are fenugreek seeds. 1 spoon of fenugreek seeds and half a spoon of turmeric. Keep a bowl on the stove. Add butter blocks. Add these 2 betel leaves. Take out these stalks. Cloves. Crush fenugreek and peppercorns. Make a coarse powder like this. Add this powder to the melting butter. Amul butter contains a natural colorant from annatto seeds. We are going to add turmeric for the coloring. See, it is boiling. Boil till the water content in this goes off. So you can see clear oil. Then we'll switch it off. So we add 1/4 spoon of turmeric powder. It gives good color. See, it is almost the oil part separated. See. You can see the color of the ghee, and taste of the ghee is also very good. Once the sediment turns to light brown color, we switch off the stove. Now we switch off the stove. Once it cools down a little, we filter it. Filter it into a container. See the color of the sediment. Some more ghee is there, we take it out. See, now this is totally dry. Color of the ghee, and the smell is also extraordinary. See, tasty healthy ghee. Nice granular ghee with healthy ingredients in it. It is healthy and tasty and very flavorful. Make healthy, eat healthy, and be healthy. Please subscribe, share, and like my YouTube channel, Healthy Magic Foods. Thank you.